Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class. So today I shall be explaining to you English 2 chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is Determiners. So let's learn about determiners. What are determiners? A determiner is a general term for the words or a group of words that appear before a noun or a noun phrase. They are meant to describe the noun or noun phrase by either specifying, identifying, or quantifying it. Okay. Now earlier the determiners were taken for adjectives for the simple reason that they came before nouns. But they are not actually adjectives because they do not describe a noun. Is it clear? Now please follow the examples given in your textbook. Let's know the difference between a determiner and an adjective. An adjective also comes before a noun and they are also meant to describe it, not any different from a determiner. So, does that mean that they are one and the same thing? But the answer is no. So, if you look at the examples in the book, the first example, the big man lifted the wheel. The second one is, this book is very interesting. Now, in the first sentence, big is an adjective as it describes the noun man. But the is a determiner because it points out a definite wheel. Similarly, in the second sentence, the word interesting describes the noun book, whereas the word this simply identifies the noun book. I hope it is clear to you what is the difference between a determiner and an adjective. Now, we shall learn the types of determiners. Determiners come in various shapes and forms, with each one of them serving a different function. Now, the different types include articles, demonstratives, quantifiers, interrogatives, and possessives. So now we shall learn little briefly about the articles first. Articles. Only 3 articles exist, and that is the, a, and an. The article the is the definite article, and that's because it identifies a particular noun. In other words, it is more specific in nature and its function is to point out which noun in particular is being referred to. So it points out a particular person, place, or thing. So the article the has this speciality. Now the next article are a and an. So we shall learn the usage of these two articles. The other two functions, on the other hand, a and an, are referred to as indefinite articles. Why? Because they are more random in nature and don't actually point out to one particular noun but a class of them. And this an, the article an, is used before a vowel sound. You should keep it in mind that a is referred only before countable nouns and an we are using before a vowel sound. Okay, so I shall be explaining till here.